So let's solve this problem together. We have a times the square root of a root a to be equal to 2. So for us to begin, let's square both sides to have a times the square root of a root a all squared is equal to 2 to the power of 2. Now from here, we have a squared times this square root cancel out. We have a root a is equal to 4. So when we multiply this a here, we have a squared plus 1, and we have root a is equal to 4. So we have a to the power of 3 root a is equal to 4. So we'll further square both sides to have a cube times root a all to the power of 2 is equal to 4 to the power of 2. So this will give us, we'll have a to the power of 3 further raised to the power of 2 times this cancel out this, we have times a, and it's equal to 16. We have 3 times 2, which is 6, and we have a, which is to the power of 1, and this is equal to 16. So we have a to the power of 7 is equal to 16. Now let's multiply the powers. We'll be multiplying the powers by 1 over 7 to have a to the power of 7 further raised to the power of 1 over 7 is equal to 16 to the power of 1 over 7. So from here, this is 7 times 7, because when we have a to the power of m further raised to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So multiplying these powers, we have a to the power of 7 over 7 is equal to 16 to the power of 1 over 7. So we have a to be equal to 16 to the power of 1 over 7. And that is our answer. We have a times the square root of a root a to be equal to 2. Now let's recall, when I have root x, this is the same as x to the power of 1 over 2. So we have our a, which is to the power of 1. We have a, which is a to the power of 1 over 2. And we have a to the power of 1 over 2 further raised to the power of 1 over 2. Because we have double square roots here, and this is all equal to 2. So when we resolve this, we have a to the power of 1 times a to the power of 1 over 2 times a to the power of, multiplying these powers, we have 1 over 4, and it's equal to 2. But when we have a to the power of b times a to the power of c times a to the power of d, this is equal to a to the power of b plus c plus d. So we'll be adding up the powers to have a to the power of 1 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4, all equal to 2. Now resolving this, we have a to the power of this, LCM of this is 4. So when we add through, we have 4 divided by 1 times 1, we have 4. We have 4 divided by 2, which is 2. And we have 4 divided by 4, which is 1. And this is equal to 2. So we have a to the power of 7 over 4, all equal to 2. Let's multiply the powers by 4 over 7 in order to eliminate this. We have a to the power of 7 over 4 further raised to the power of 4 over 7 is equal to 2 to the power of 4 over 7. So when these powers multiply through, we have that a is equal to 2 to the power of 4 over 7. Now let's recall our answer from method 1. We had that A is equal to 16 to the power of 1 over 7. And here we have that A is equal to 2 to the power of 4 over 7. So we have two values. For 16 to the power of 1 over 7, this is the same as 2 to the power of 4, further raised to the power of 1 over 7, which is equal to, multiplying these powers, we have 2 to the power of 4 over 7. So this 16 to the power of 1 over 7 is equal to 2 to the power of 4 over 7. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.